In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your workflow with Asana AI Studio. If you want to save time, reduce repetitive work, and make project management more efficient, then Asana's built-in AI tools can help streamline many of your daily tasks. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access Asana AI Studio, interact with the AI assistant, and use it to improve the way you organize and manage your projects. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Asana workspace and have a project or task list open on your screen. It's best to work inside an active project because the AI assistant performs better when it has context from your existing tasks, descriptions, and workflows. Once you're inside your project, look near the top section of the Asana interface for the AI icon. In most cases, this appears as a small sparkle or magic-style symbol located near the search bar or task management tools. Click on this icon to open Asana AI Studio. After selecting it, an AI panel or prompt window will appear on your screen. This is where you can communicate directly with the assistant. Instead of using it like a normal search feature, think of it as a smart workspace assistant that can understand your project information and help automate different tasks. Inside the text box, type a clear request describing what you want the AI to do. For example, you can ask it to summarize project tasks, organize work by priority, generate a checklist for a campaign, or rewrite a task description to make it more professional and easier to understand. The more detailed and specific your request is, the better the results will usually be. After entering your prompt, submit the request and give the AI a few moments to process the information. It will then generate suggestions, summaries, rewritten content, or task ideas based on your instructions and the project context. Carefully review the generated response before using it in your workflow. If the output looks accurate and useful, you can copy it directly into your project brief, task descriptions, or team comments. If the response needs improvement, simply adjust your prompt with more details. You can ask the AI to shorten the text, focus on deadlines, organize information into steps, or make the writing clearer and more concise. One useful habit is saving prompts that consistently produce strong results. Reusing effective prompts can significantly speed up your workflow over time and help keep your projects more organized and consistent. And that's basically how you can use Asana AI Studio to make your workflow faster, cleaner, and more productive for both you and your team. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.